Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Android Technology. In this video I will show you how to see your Instagram account password. Let's start. First click on Instagram. Click on profile icon. Click on three-line icon. Click on Accounts Center. Click on Password and Security. There is no option to see your Instagram account password. Click on Phone Settings. Like the video and follow my steps. Click on Google. Click on Google account. Click on Security Settings. Scroll down. Click on Password Manager. Here click and see your Instagram account password. Thank you.